How do bees make honey? From nectar. We all know they collect the nectar and they make honey from it. But what they don't tell us is the process of how they make the honey. After collection, the honey goes into the bee. The bee has a special stomach for the honey called the honey sac inside of the bee. Inside there are special enzymes what goes down and breaks down the honey into more sugary parts. After the bees go back to their nest and they regurgitate, in layman's terms, vomit. They vomit up the honey. Then, while the honey sits there, they use their wings to evaporate the water out of the honey, so that it can dry up. However, now it looks so I'm swearing now, people think I'm cool. Do bees make honey?